Hey Com610, my name is Taylor Hart and thank you for viewing. So the question that we were all asked is, what do you do? So I currently started working for a financial institution where I help businesses become, maintain, and continue to grow their businesses financially. So I work with small mom and pop shops and larger organizations here in the United States. So what I do is I'm able to see their spending habits, open lines of credit, speak with their merchants, and basically just inform them of the opportunities that they have to grow their businesses, as well as inform them of the risks that they're taking financially that could possibly harm them long term or short term. I really enjoy it so far because I feel as though I'm helping them, and I know that this is probably something that they've always wanted to do, so I feel a sense of accomplishment that I'm able to help them financially. I'm also interning with our communications department where I'm able to write for the website as well as create and edit video. So I'm hoping that within the next year, because we're able to change departments after a year, that I'm able to go to the communications department. That way I would have gotten a little bit more experience with the company as well as experience in communications. So I'm very, very happy with this organization so far. So I'm just hoping to just grow and build within the organization.